What's your name, bro?
Edgar.
Edgar? What haircut are we giving you today, bro?
Burst fade.
A burst fade? And the front, how do you want the front?
Or lineup.
The lineup? Kind of like the Edgar? Yeah. And how high do you want me to go right here on the burst fade?
Few moments later.
I don't know. Yeah,
like mid? Like mid?
Like mid.
All right, for sure. For sure, bro. I got you, bro. Since I've never cut his hair before, I'm just gonna go trial and error and go in with the number 8 guard with the lever closed, just to see how much bulky I'm working with right here on the side. Just gently grazing up. Just trying to form that base. So I'm gonna go in first, creating my first guideline with my Gamma Evo X trimmer. This C-cup area is right here. So we're gonna go about right here, 1/4 in, and form like a little half moon around the ear. Move the bulk really quick. So the next thing we want to do, I want to open up the lever, and it's really important for you guys to know, we set the guideline from here to here. So the most that we're going to go in with our lever open is going to be right here. We have to kind of formulate the same guideline. Coming around the ear, be very careful. Now I'm gonna go in with my sharper trimmer. So essentially I like having 2 trimmers to cut. One is 0 gapped and the other one isn't. This one's a 0 gapped one. Just wanna get really close to the skin because I'm gonna make it easier for my shaver on the next step, just to kind of like ball that line out and I don't leave a really harsh line. So now the next step that I'm gonna take to blend out this line is gonna be a method called middle open closed. So we're gonna start by hitting the guideline in the middle with our lever in the middle. I'm gonna open it, then hit the full thing, and then I'm gonna close it and hit the beginning of the line. So lever in the middle. Using my StylecraftProTools Saber clipper. Open it a tiny bit. And then with that, we're gonna close it now. It's kind of tricky out here in the back of the ear because you have to use kind of like the corners of your clipper. So this line is blended. We can always go back and correct any mistakes. It's a rough draft, so we're gonna go in with the 1 guard lever open and go a finger's length above this guideline that we just finished blending. We have the guidelines set already. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go close to open, close the lever, hit the beginning of the line, and then slowly work our way up into the line, but that's gonna soften it. On the next step, I'm gonna be attaching my 0.5 guard, and I'm gonna finish the blend of this line. So it's a 2-step process. So once you guys are done with this, you guys are gonna probably end up having a little hard line right there, and we're gonna go over that with our 0.5 guard to finish the blend of the second line. So this is the trimmer line, the half line, and the 1.5 line. So I'm closing my lever, maybe tapping that line right there, then I'm gonna go up a little bit. It's probably like 1/4 open. We're gonna go 3/4 open now. I'm using my thumb. Then I'm gonna go all the way open, but you guys notice how I'm not going all the way to the top. I'm stopping maybe about halfway through that guideline. So now we're gonna repeat it right here on the back of the ear. Close the lever. Just gently tap that line right there. Just open it a little bit. Just keep going up a little higher. A little bit more higher. And then all the way open, but not going all the way up. If you guys have to close it a little bit. And then work your way down. Do that as well. With the 2-guard lever open, we're gonna go a finger's length above, kind of just like emulating the last step. It's literally the same thing, but we're using the number 2 guard and the 1.5 guard instead. So just one number above, but the process stays the same. Close the lever. We're kind of just softening the line really quick. So then I can go in with my 1.5 guard and repeat the same process. We want to either close it or start with it open. I'm just gonna close it and kind of just use my eyes and blend out. You know, you guys don't have to be that mechanical and like really follow everything to the T. Now I'm gonna scoop out again with my 3-guard lever open. Right here at the top. To get really close in, I'm going to use my Gamma Uno shaver. Just gently tap that area that we balled it out right now. Just kind of like rotating it a little bit. Now just to clean up the area, I'm going to go in with my lever open. This is kind of like a good little detailing tip. Kind of just like retouch the areas and flick out a little bit towards the top. We're going to start working our way up a little bit before we work our way down. I'm going to start working my way down now a little bit. All right, so to trim the Edgar from the top, first let's get a nice clean section from the front. Let's make it about a comb thick. Sheesh, shake it, bro. Not with your hand, bro.